Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we started chapter number 5, coordinate geometry, and in previous video we studied question number 1 of practice set 5.1. In that question we solved examples based on distance formula. Now here is question number 2 of practice set 5.1. Question number 2 is that determine whether the points are collinear. Now here 3 points are given, A, B, C, their coordinates are given. Then we have to find out that these points are collinear or not. Collinear means these points should lie on the same line. But they are lying or not, we have to find out. Now how to find? We have to find all three distances. Distance AB, distance BC, distance AC. Then how to check? If sum of any two distances is equal to the third distance, sum of any two is equal to the third distance, then we can say points are collinear. And if sum of any two is not coming, does not equal to the third, then points are not collinear. Let's see example number 1. A, B, C. 3 points are given. We have to find all three distances. Now one by one we will find. First let's find distance AB. Let A is equal to x1 y1. First x coordinate, second y coordinate, and coordinates are 1 minus 3. It means x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to minus 3. B is equal to coordinates of B. Consider x2 y2. Coordinates are 2 minus 5. x2 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to minus 5. Here these are four values, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now therefore distance AB is equal to, we know distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here distance formula support. This is distance formula. And now let's put values and solve. It is very easy now. Is equal to square root of x2. See here, x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 bracket square. x2 is 2, x1 is 1. Therefore here put value 2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2. y2 is minus 5. Minus sign. y1 is minus 3 in bracket. Here square bracket we have to do. Bracket square. Now solve here. 2 minus 1, 1. Bracket square. Plus. In bracket. Now here you see. Directly you can solve. Minus 5. Minus minus plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 2. Minus 2 bracket square. Is equal to. Now squares. 1 square 1 plus square of minus 2 4. Now here add it is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 5. Therefore distance AB we got square root of 5. Give here number 1. First distance we got. Now after getting distance AB, find distance BC. Let's continue now. Let B is equal to x1 y1, same formula, only coordinates are changed. B x1 y1 2 minus 5. C x2 y2 is equal to minus 4 7. Now find distance BC. Distance BC is equal to same formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here support distance formula. We have to use distance formula for all three. Is equal to, now put values, x2 minus 4 minus x1 2 bracket square plus y2 7 minus y1, this minus from formula, and y1 is also minus 5 in bracket, square bracket, is equal to Solve this now. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 bracket square plus, here write direct answer, minus minus plus 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 12, 12 bracket square is equal to, write squares, square of minus 6, square is always positive, 6 6 are 36, plus square of 12 144 is equal to square root of addition. What is addition now? 180. Addition is 180. We have to split this number. Factorize 180 in perfect square and non-perfect square. 180 in the factor or in the product, one number should be perfect square, other number non-perfect. Then we can factorize it as 36 5s are 180. 36 is perfect square, 5 is non-perfect, and is equal to square root of 36 is 6, and this is irrational, keep as it is in square root, 6 root 5. This is the second distance. Distance BC is equal to 6 root 5. Give here number 2. Second distance also we got. Distance AB we got root 5. Distance BC 6 root 5. Now we got distance AB, distance BC. Now find distance AC. Let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 1 minus 3. C is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are minus 4 7. And let's find now distance AC is equal to distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 minus 4 minus from the formula. Here 1 bracket square plus y2 7 minus y1 minus 3 in bracket square bracket is equal to minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 bracket square plus 7 minus minus plus 3 7 plus 3 10 bracket square is equal to, now write squares, minus 5 square 25 plus square of 10 100 is equal to addition 125, right, is equal to, and it is perfect square, but we 125 is not perfect square, 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are cube, that is. Now split this number. How to split this number? 25 5s are is equal to, now 25 is perfect square, write its square root out. Square root of 25 5, and 5 is irrational as it is. Number 3. We got all three distances. Distance AB we got square root of 5. Distance BC we got 6 root 5, and distance AC we got 5 root 5. Okay. Now how to check? Out of these three, add any two. Sum of any two should come equal to the third. Sum of any two is equal to third. Now here you see, check by addition of which two we get third. Here is root 5 and here is 5 root 5. If we add them, here is 1 outside. 1 root 5 plus 5 root 5, we get 6 root 5. Means here we can write, therefore distance AB plus distance AC. Distance AB plus distance AC. Let's find what is addition. AB is root 5 plus AC is 5 root 5, and addition is 6 root 5. Okay, we got 6 root 5. And distance BC is already distance BC is already 6 root 5, and therefore we can say here now, see, by adding these two we got this. Therefore distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC. Correct? And now we can see points ABC are collinear. Therefore points, now what is the longest distance? What is addition? BC, no? BC is addition. Therefore a point will come in between. Here you see AB, AC. What is common point in them? Common means in both. Here is A, here is also A. Therefore that point will come in between. And what is this addition? 6 root 5 BC. These are end points. Means B, C, end, and in between A. If how to write points B, A, C. B, C and A between are collinear. Now example is completed. Now let's see example number 2. Points are L, M, N. We have to determine are these collinear or not. And for that let's find all three distances one by one. Let L is equal to x1, y1 is equal to minus 2, 3. M is equal to x2, y2. Coordinates are 1, minus 3. Let's find this distance. Distance LM is equal to formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, distance formula. Is equal to square root of, now put values, x2 1 minus x1 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 minus 3 minus y1 3 bracket square is equal to square root of 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 2 3 bracket square plus minus 3 minus 6 bracket square is equal to square root of 3 3s are 9 plus 6 6 are 36 is equal to addition 45. Addition is 45. Not perfect square. Now split this number. How to write? 9 5s are 45 is equal to, now square root of 9 3, and this is irrational, write as root 5 first. It's distance LM we got 3 root 5. Got LM, now find MN. Let M is equal to x1 y1. Coordinates are 1 minus 3. N is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 5 4. Distance MN is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to, here support distance formula. Always try to write support of this. How we are writing? Put values now. x2 5 minus x1 1 bracket square plus y2 4 minus y1 minus 3 bracket square is equal to 5 minus 1 4 bracket square plus 4 minus minus plus 3 4 plus 3 7 bracket square is equal to square root of 4 square 16 plus square of 7 49 is equal to square root of addition of 40 50 65 65. Now here 65 is non-perfect and we cannot factorize this. 13 5s are, but 13 is also not perfect and 5 is not perfect. Therefore We cannot factorize this. Give here number 2. Second distance. After mn, let's find distance ln. Let L is equal to x1 y1 minus 2 3. N is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 5 4. Distance Ln is equal to distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Distance formula. Put values. 5 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 4 minus 3 bracket square. Solve this. 5 minus plus 5 plus 2 7 bracket square plus 4 minus 3 1 bracket square is equal to square root of 49 plus 1 is equal to root 50. We can split this as 25 twos are, and 25 is perfect square. 5 root 2, number 3. Now we got 3 distances. Distance ln 3 root 5, distance mn root 65. We cannot factorize 13 5 are. Here 5 root 2, and therefore by adding now lm mn ln, by adding any 2 we don't get third. If we split this, we can write this as root 13 into root 5. Root 13 multiplied by root 5. But again, no use. Here root 5, here root 5, we don't get this. Therefore, we can write here distance L m plus distance m n is not equal to distance L n. Not equal. And if condition is like this, we don't get that, we can say here points L m n are not collinear. If we get sum of any two distances is equal to the third, then we will write here points are collinear. Let's see example number 3. R, D, yes, 3 points are given. Let R is equal to x1, y1 is equal to 0, 3. D is equal to x2, y2 is equal to 2, 1. These are coordinates. Now we want distance RD. Distance RD is equal to distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 2 minus 0 2 minus 0 bracket square plus y2 1 minus 3 bracket square is equal to square root of, now 2 minus 0 2 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 2 square 4 plus minus 2 square also 4, square root of 4 plus 4 8. Now is equal to, we write it as 4 2s are 8 is equal to, now we get here 2 root 2, number 1. This is first distance. Here RD, let's find distance ds. Let d is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 2 1, s is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 3 minus 1. Distance ds. Distance ds is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to square root of x2 3 minus 2 bracket square plus minus 1 bracket square is equal to square root of 3 minus 2 1 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 is equal to square root of 5. Number 2, distance ds is root 5. Let's find distance rs. Let r is equal to x1 y1 0 3, s is equal to x2 y2 3 minus 1. Distance rs is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to square root of 3 minus 0 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 3 bracket square. Square root of 3 minus 0 3 square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 bracket square is equal to square root of 3 square 9 plus minus 4 square 16 is equal to root 25. Root 25 is 5. Number 3. In this way we got all three distances. Now let's check if we add any two, do we get the third? If yes, then points are collinear. If no, points are not collinear. Now here we got these three distances: distance RD to root 2, distance DS root 5, and distance RS 5. Now here we can say here distance RD plus distance DS is not equal to distance RS, not equal, and therefore points R, D, S are not collinear. Now example number 4. Let P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 3, Q is equal to x2 y2 1 2. Let's find distance PQ. Distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula. Put values. 1 minus 2 bracket square plus 2 minus 3 bracket square is equal to square root of 1 minus plus 2 3 bracket square plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 bracket square is equal to 3 square 9 plus minus 1 square 1 is equal to root 10. Give here number 1. Distance PQ is equal to root 10. Let's find distance QR. Let Q is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 1 2, R is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 4 1. Distance QR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Put values. 4 minus 1 bracket square plus 1 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 3 bracket square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 bracket square is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 square root of 10. Number 2. Now that let's find distance PR. Let P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 3, R is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 4 1. Therefore distance PR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to square root of x2 4 minus x1 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 1 minus 3 bracket square is equal to square root of 4 minus minus plus 4 plus 2 6 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 6 6 are 36 plus 2 2 are 4 is equal to root 40. And if we factorize it, 4 multiplied by 10, 4 multiplied by 10, square root of 4 2 and root 10 irrational, number 3. Now here we got these three distances, distance PQ root 10, distance QR root 10 and distance PR 2 root 10. Now here if we add these two, distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to, distance PQ is root 10 plus QR is also root 10, and if we add we get square 2 root 10. See here, addition of these two is equal to 2 root 10. And distance PR is its 2 root 10. See, addition is 2 root 10 and this is 2 root 10. Therefore, distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Means sum of any two is equal to third. And that's why we can say here, therefore, points P, Q, R are collinear.